2005 Honda Civic SI EP3 body style, which is a hatchback. That's what the customer stated, so we'll tell you what he said. Anyways, it's got a massive catalytic converter on it, right there. And then, believe it or not, guys, he brought in an eBay exhaust system he bought off eBay, and it actually fit with no problems. We were shocked. It lined up perfectly and fit. As you guys can see, it magically fit. Look at that, really clean. Usually we have to chop it up into 15 million pieces before it fits. But this one actually fit, as you guys can see. Only place we welded is here because these bolts are rotted to hell. And they tried an hour and a half to try to take it off at home in 30-degree weather. It didn't work, so they brought it to us. And we said, we'll gladly fix it for you. And there it is, nice and shiny. Really pretty. Let us know what you guys think about your experience in eBay and their products. Honda Civic SI. Again. There's sound decibels again. 108. Not bad. It's pretty loud. And it's got the silencer in it. You guys want it louder? You take that silencer out. See the 3 bolts? You take those 3 bolts out and it takes the silencer out. And then it becomes looking like this one right here. Like that. And it becomes a lot louder. That sounds good. You don't find these much, these hatchbacks. EP3, I think you call them or something. I like it. It sounds good. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. On the Civic SI hatchback, VTEC. There she is. Nice. See, customers can rev it. We don't rev it like that. It's their car. They can do whatever they want. Nice.